These are the P50 fire extinguishers. These are absolutely unique. So they are maintenance free or service free. Now let's just explain that before we go into the extinguishers. That means all extinguishers need to be checked annually, at least annually. That should be enough. But what this means is that you can do it yourself. You can follow the manufacturer's recommended method of maintenance. You don't need to pay one of those service technicians to come around, you know, those ones that pop in and every single time they say, oh, I think you need another fire extinguisher over there. Or every so often, oh, this one needs replacing, and you think to yourself, does it? I'm not sure. Well, if you're one of those, these are for you. They also have a 10-year guarantee and a 10-year life. The original ones, at the end of 10 years, they can go back to the manufacturer and be exchanged for a refurbished one that will last another 10 years. How cool is that? So in the long term, that saves a fair bit of money. But let's explain the extinguisher and how it works. So first of all, it's completely different to a standard steel, or sometimes rarely they're aluminium fire extinguisher, because it is made from a material that it's actually called aramid. Underneath this plastic outer casing, which is just simply a protective outer casing for the screen print and everything, underneath here is a wound cylinder that is made of effectively Kevlar, like bulletproof vest stuff. So when you think, is this strong? Yes, it is. So you can't dent Kevlar, as far as I know. They're brilliant for cylinders and makes it lighter than your standard steel extinguisher, so they can't rust. On the inside, it actually has a plastic sort of case on the inside that the liquid is in, so it won't leak, and it doesn't have all those issues. The other great advantage is they have a fantastic water mist. Now, water mist here using the special proper nozzle from a company called Telestro. So not a copy, but the genuine water mist. This comes out as, like it says, as a mist, like a sort of fog. So this can be used safely on electrical equipment. It is plain water. I think it uses deionized water, but it doesn't make any mess. It is water. They also have a 2-litre version, which makes it small and handy. These are great for homes, etc. This has a good fire rating, has all the standard stuff you would expect, but water mist means that you don't have to have an accompanying CO2 for electrics. Again, you can have one single type that will put out most fires safely. This one here is the foam. Now it says an eco foam. The manufacturer, Britannia Fire, were the first in the UK to have a fluorine-free foam. They committed to that a long time ago. They stopped selling foam, the one that will eventually be replaced under environmental issues. And they've had a fluorine-free for ages. So well ahead of their time. These are powder ones. Obviously we all know what powder does. It's for every type of fire. Again, this is a 2 kilogram as opposed to 2 litre in litre form. This one is the 9 kilogram. Now I'm going to turn it around. They've even devised a special stand, because these have a slightly different bracket holder. It's like a CO2 extinguisher. Instead of being welded on the back, a bracket holder like most fire extinguishers, it has a hook on the back of the valve. And as you can possibly see from here, it hooks, just sits on a hook, like so. Very neat. A little sign holder at the back. So that's a handy addition. And you're thinking, why is there a black one? Surely they can't have a black one. It appears they can do whatever they like. These are very fancy. Now they only have one black one with silver writing. It's the, again, fluorine-free foam. It's actually surprisingly popular. Naturally, because of these are not made in huge amounts, they cost a couple of quid more, not a lot more. We sell quite a lot of these, but they still comply to the same standards. In the same way that you can buy a stainless steel one or chrome fire extinguisher, or even a gold one now, and the manufacturer is the same, but it can't really have the normal standard because it's not red. Now these, show you one, turn it around, have all of the approvals. So any fire extinguisher technician who, by the way, is not going to be keen on these because they are, you've been told they are maintenance free. You don't need technicians. So any service technician is going to come along and say, oh, you can't have that. I think you can work out why. These have the British Standard kite mark. Oh yes, you can. These are very popular. You'll find universities, hospitals, police, places where it's hard to get to, wind farms, lighthouses. Yes, they have fire extinguishers even when they're not when there's no one there. These are great because try getting a fire extinguisher technician to a lighthouse. Exactly. And if you're wondering what if something goes wrong? They come up with a method for checking the stored pressure gauge of having a second gauge. What's the chances of them both failing? So you'll know if the gauge is accurate. Now there is a little magnetic tool stored in this that can show you that the gauge moves. It's got all the maintenance instructions printed on it. It has a labelling system, so with a Sharpie you can record when it was maintained. You then put it in your fire safety logbook and you have a full record like you would with any other maintenance that you do yourself, anything you check. It's very, very, very simple. The P50 costs more than a standard fire extinguisher, but it is an investment for at least 10 years. We think these are wonderful, and if you're a large company with a system of maintenance, there is no reason why you can't just add this to the list. If you want to know more about the range with the prices and have a look at the pretty black one and the small ones, then please follow the links at the end of this website.